Hi, this is Beth here, and I thought that if you were new to the New York Times, since we're reading it this term, you might appreciate a walkthrough with me. I look at it every morning. It's free for me too, and it's a fairly good paper. So what you see up here is all the different sections of the paper that you might be interested in. I know we've got some techies, some people in the science fields, the health fields, people who like sports, arts, books, style, food, and it keeps going. Real estate, you're probably not interested in New York real estate, but then again, maybe you are. If you come up here to this menu, you'll see where you can get all the articles in a specific area here. Television, theater. The style, again, I said was interesting. You've got love. You've got all the marriage things. Some of them are interesting. So this is actually the highlights of the paper, kind of like the first page. And you can look, lots of pictures here. It starts with news. Down here, you get opinion. Opinion, everything in this column is biased by definition. Persuasive writing. Every columnist has a strong thesis that he or she is trying to convince you that it's right. Very interesting in the most part. Then as you go down, it gets less and less news and more, other stuff, entertainment things. Entertainment, probably not fake school shooting to prepare people. Then we look down here and we get to food, Wirecutter that tells you the best things to buy in any specific category, and then the games. The New York Times is known for its games. It doesn't have funnies, doesn't have comics, but it has games. New York Times crossword puzzle, spelling bee, and as of, when did it start? Last summer? The Wordle. You get all of this for free now that you are subscribers to the New York Times. When I ask you to choose an article, I do not care which area it's in. Wander through the paper, find something that interests you, and choose it. Let me know if you need any help.